Definitely, we have enough evidence to support each of the articles, and even if we don't have the documents that we are requesting for, we can support the prosecution of the 4 articles.
Of course, no, we don't want to preempt the decision that and the action that the impeachment court will take on this matter. But as pointed out by Kongwell, our case is not hinged on just one evidence. No, for example, as you stated, we intend to present these documents in relation to the articles of impeachment for the charges on unexplained wealth. So, ang dami hong dokumento na gagamitin din para mapagpatibay yung charges tukol dito. For example, we have the SAL-ends, we have so hindi lang isa yan, madami yan, yung doon sa AMLAC records, BR records, bank records, and testimonies of witnesses. So hindi naman nakasalalay lang sa isang ebidensya yung kaso natin.
Idadagdag ko lang, every evidence will stand on its own merit. Ang ginagawa po ng ebidensya, tinatahi po yung pinapresenta ng ebidensya at yung pangalawang ebidensya para magkaroon po ng full picture understanding ating mga kababayan para ino-collaborate po ng isang ebidensya patungo doon sa ebidensya. So importante po yun. Again, ito pong impeachment trial na ito, sui generis po siya, may legal component, meron din pong component kung saan dapat ang taong bayan mas maintindihan nila lang maayos yung ating pinag-uusapan dito. So we are also looking at presenting this evidence not based on its probative value but based on how the people would understand and have a full picture of what we're talking here under the article na kung saan pag-uusapan yung unexplained wealth ng Vice Presidente.